Weesie channel. You miss me? Well, today, I know it's been a long time since I did a cooking video, so that's what I'll be doing today. I'm going to show you all how to make stewed short ribs with white potatoes. So y'all come on along. Come on. Doop. Enough oil to cover the pot. Cover the bottom of the pot. Let that get hot. The oil get hot. And once they get hot, I'm going to be filling this spoon up with sugar. Because that's how I'm going to brown my gravy, with sugar. So let that get hot enough so I can add the sugar in it so it can be brown. Top. Okay, now I'm going to add my sugar. Let's see how much. Work it all around. Put the onions over here for right now. Let the sugar get brown. You can see the sugar in the pot and the oil. Let that get brown. The sugar is getting brown with the oil. See? Alright. Now I'm going to put the short ribs in the pot. I'm going to turn the fire down a little bit while I'm adding the short ribs. Adding my onions. And let that brown. let that ball, let this ball down. And then in the meantime, I want y'all to come on over here as I cut up the potato. Dicing the potato. I already peeled it. Now I'm about to dice it up into squares. I peeled three of the potatoes. So that's what I'll be cutting up, 3. This is what I'm putting in the stewed short ribs, the diced potatoes. Let it sit in some, I'm going to let it sit in some water until it's time to put it into the short ribs. Okay, the ribs done. Now it's time to add the potatoes. Like I said, I had the potatoes sitting in the water. So now I'm about to put the potato in. Pour like a cup of water over it so the potatoes can boil. And I'm gonna start adding my season. Season salt. Creole. Salt. Accent. And black pepper. Okay, let that boil down. Ribs coming off the bone. All finished. Okay, the meal is done. The short ribs and the white potatoes that's cooking in for the stew is all finished. So now it's time for us to dig in. And I thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and tell a friend and tell a friend. And I'm out. This is the meal. Come on and join me.